Hi guys, today we are going to discuss a very important soft skill, that is group discussion. We all are aware that if you want to get into a good premier institution or if you want to get a good job, the importance of group discussion cannot be over highlighted. Since I have been involved with a lot of interviews and group discussions, and has been in the process of selection of officers, I have realized that this aspect is generally glossed over. It has not been given the due importance what it should have been given. Since group discussion is also a stage one filter to take you to the next step of selection, that is the interview, as some of the companies they follow it, it is very, very imperative that we should understand the nuances of group discussion. Group discussion is a very formal way of discussion with participants where you communicate about a topic, about a situation, or any current affairs or anything for that matter. It has been seen that the preparation of a group discussion has to start much earlier. You just cannot launch yourself totally, or blissfully ignorant about it. You have to prepare yourself about the current affairs, about the subject knowledge. Then another aspect is initiative. Initiative is a must because you are competing with others. If you are not able to take initiative, you are going to lose on those points. But by no stretch of imagination, initiative means that you start jumping unnecessarily and expose yourself. If you are well prepared, yes, initiative will give you good dividends. Second is, you must have a good posture. You must exude confidence. You should have subject knowledge. You should have time management. You should be considerate to others' views also. Because the person who's assessing you, by no stretch of imagination, he's looking at your knowledge. Yes, that's a very important part. But he's looking for a teamwork, your behavioral aspects, how you behave in a group, how you work in a team, how you can be a useful member in a team when you join any organization. So, time management, adaptability, consideration for others' point of view, giving chance to others, and initiative besides the subject knowledge is very, very important as far as group discussion is concerned. And I am sure if you follow these points, you will come out with flying colors and nobody is going to hold you at that stage, and you are going to come out with flying colors in the next stage. Thank you.